The red G-Shock Frogman has arrived, and this 30th anniversary timepiece is a super interesting design. If you aren't aware of the now 30-year-old Frogman line, it's essentially this: an elite diving spec, part of G-Shock's durable Master of G range. The first thing you'll notice when you hold this watch is just how big it is. It's 52mm in length and 50.3mm in width. Plus, it has a huge 18mm in thickness. I mean, this is a really big watch. But because it's crafted in bio-based resin and yes, titanium, the red Frogman is actually quite light. With these materials, it's also incredibly durable. You get ISO 200 meters water resistance, tough solar, and a screw lock back. Reliability and toughness are Frogman to a T. With the environmental resin and solar capabilities, it's also clear that G-Shock has prioritized a sustainable make. Now, in terms of looks, this design is going to be very divisive. I personally like the asymmetrical look and the bulkiness of the timepiece, while others probably won't. This bright red resin is also an interesting choice by G-Shock, but it does match the vibrant wild frog theme. This line is certainly no stranger to interesting colorways. Just look at the poison dart frog we reviewed earlier in the year. And against the darker titanium hues of this watch, I can see the appeal of this red color. It's very sporty and it looks like an authentic piece of diver's gear. There is a lot of charm to enjoy on this watch too, just take a look at the fun design on the case back. The same Frogman character is also seen in the backlight, which is a really nice touch. This is G-Shock's signature diver, so let's get deeper into the specifications of this powerful Master of G. I've already mentioned the 20 bar water resistance and solar capabilities, but there's a lot of digital functionality in this piece too. Enjoy a full dive log with dive time and surface interval measurement, as well as tide graph and moon data measurement for the surfers. For daily use, you'll find world time, a full auto calendar, and typical timing features. Now, the red Frogman does lie within the premium range of G-Shock watches, so you can expect a recommended retail price of 1249 AUD at watchdepot.com.au. I know there'll be some that really love this watch and others that aren't sure, so let me know in the comments what you think of this timepiece. And as always, thank you for watching.